Hey friends! Welcome back to Life is Messy, but I am learning as I grow. I'm Mary Ellen, and around here, we celebrate every season and holiday with creativity, laughter, and a little bit of mess. From DIYs and plant-based recipes to family adventures, I'm learning as I go. And I'm so glad you're here to learn and celebrate right along with me. Today we're making one of the most fun DIY gifts ever, a surprise exploding gift box. This is perfect for Christmas, birthdays, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, Father's Day, graduations, or honestly any special moment. It's budget-friendly, customizable, and always gets the cutest reactions, especially from kids. First things first, you'll need a square box. Any size will work, but I'm using a medium-sized one from Dollar Tree. Here I'm showing you the options I picked up. Tip: the sturdier the box, the better the explosion effect. Next, grab your fillers. Candy, stickers, mini toys, pictures, money, gift cards, anything small and fun. You can totally theme this box depending on the occasion. Christmas candy canes, holiday stickers. Valentine's Day hearts, chocolate kisses. Birthdays confetti, tiny favors. Mother's/Father's Day sweet photos, notes from the kids. You'll also need a stuffed animal that barely fits in the box. Make sure it's one you have to squish down a little. That pressure is what helps the box explode. Now take your square box and carefully cut down each corner from the top to the bottom using a box cutter. Be careful and take your time here. Once it's cut open and flat, reinforce the bottom and the sides with tape to give your box more structure. Pick one side of the box and start attaching your goodies. I'm using curling ribbon to secure everything. It looks cute and adds movement when the box pops open. Just tie the item on, then curl the ribbon. Repeat this for all four sides. Now place your plush friend right in the center bottom of the box and tape it down securely. This is what gives the main pop. When the gift is opened, close the box. Carefully fold all the sides back up and place the lid on. You might need to give it a tiny little push to secure it. And that's exactly what you want. And that's it. Your surprise exploding gift box is ready to gift. When your friend or family member lifts the lid, the sides burst open and all the goodies come flying out. It's adorable, fun, and totally unforgettable. Kids especially love this and will open and close it over and over again. This is such a cute, customizable, budget-friendly DIY. And you can make it simple or add extras like gift cards and money. Imagine a graduation version with a cap and gown bear and dollar bills everywhere. So cute. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I hope this inspired you to get creative, try something new, and celebrate every little moment along the way. Don't forget to hype and like this video, subscribe, and come back soon. We've got plenty more growing and learning to do together.